This is Maddie.
That's Jeremy.
We taught level 1 Charleston this
Hey.
week.
We did kickaways and around the world. We reviewed it from last week and then we learned around the world. It looks like this. Double kick, single, single, double kick. We talked about how we really want to go for it as if we were doing that around the world every time, followers, so that we get that nice stretchy feeling when it is a kickaway, but also when it isn't around the world, we're ready and we don't have to generate a bunch of power out of nowhere.
And we give you a little homework. Make sure that you're able to stay balanced. You can just bounce on one foot going in a circle. You can bounce on one foot going the other way. And do the kicks by doing the kicks around in a circle. Single kick, single kick, single kick. If you can do that by yourself, we can call on it next week and we can review and you'll feel real good about it. We had one other thing we did this week.
We did the roll back out of the skip up.
That's right. Rock step, kick, and the swing, kick, step, rock step, kick, step.
We kept dancing. You guys did great. We'll see you next week.
Nice work this week.